Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm just going to show you how to insert date in Excel as well as format that date based on your requirements. So first thing that we're going to do is select the cell that we want our date to go in. From there we're going to press the buttons Control plus semicolon, and that'll automatically populate the date that we're looking for. But say I don't want my date to be in this format. What I'll do is select that cell, and then I'll press the buttons Control plus 1, and this Format Cells dialog box is going to pop up, and we will see that we're going to be in the date category. And from here we have a selection of types of formats for our date, and let's say I want to choose this particular format here that shows the day dash the first 3 letters of the month and last 2 numbers of the year. Press OK, and automatically populates the format of the date that we're looking for. Hope this helps. Feel free to like and subscribe for more great videos, and I'll see you on the next one.